Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix eBay below standards. Is your eBay seller status now below standard? It can hurt your sales and search visibility, but don't worry, let's talk about how to fix it fast and get your seller rating back up. Now let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to understand why you're below standard. And to do that, just go to the Sellers Hub by going to ebay.com and make sure you're logged into your account. As soon as you visit the website, click on the Sellers Hub by clicking on the Sell option right here, Sell section, and click on Performance and then click on Seller Level. Once you see the drop down menu, click on the Seller Level here. Now look at metrics like late shipment, cancellation, item not as described cases, and defect rate. The second step is to improve order handling immediately. You can ship orders within handling time and upload tracking numbers the same day you ship. As for the third step is to reduce cancellation. Only list items you actually have in stock and monitor your inventory closely. You can also resolve cases quickly and by always responding to the buyer message fast and offer refunds or replacements when needed to avoid escalations. And for the fifth and final thing, deliver accurate listings. Write a clear and honest product description and use real photos and mention any defects honestly. And over time your status will be upgraded to above standard again. Offer free returns to improve buyer satisfaction and pack carefully to avoid damage claims, and also review your account health monthly to stay on track. And this was it for today's tutorial. That's how you fix eBay below standard issue. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.